Now let's see offset. Here no propagation. Now first of all choose no propagation. I'm selecting, and here giving instance horizontal, vertical and offsets. Offset distance it is. Here I want to choose 2 instance and offset 120 each one. Enter. From this line to this line it is 120 distance. I have selected 2 instance. These are 2 and with distance 120 distance. Now select again this line and go for offset option. Again choose now 3 instance and with 150 distance. It will be placed wherever you keep your cursor. Okay, if previously I placed my cursor here, that's why it's placed on top of the line. Now I'm placing below the line, so enter. See, these are these 3 lines. This is the first option, no propagation, and the second option, tangent propagation. Give small radius. Okay. I selected no propagation. Only one line is selecting here. This is the first option. Second option, now I am going for tangent propagation. Here this is a tangent, and this tangent is related to this horizontal line and this vertical line. So if I select this tangent, this complete curve will be selected. See here. Okay, again I am choosing instance 3 and offset 50. Okay, this is a point. It's maintaining points also exactly, and it's offsetted 3 times. And this is nothing but tangent propagation. In this command, here we can see line 1 option, and here corner option is also there. Here we can see straight 1 corner point and 1 radius curve is there here. There is another point propagation. Wherever point is there, those all will be act as offset. So here now I want to select this line. The complete sketch is activated. Again I want to activate it. The instance already it's selected inside one. Now see instance 1 and distance offset 340. Okay, instance I'm going 5 and it's 250. See, this is the offset point propagation. Okay, we have learned no propagation, tangent propagation and point propagation. Now last one is both sides offsets. Here for example, draw a line. This is the both sides offset. Let's select this. if we choose both sides, because it is a closed one, it's not possible. For example, choose this line and now go for both sides and give dimension 250, enter. So guys, this is the offset. Once again, clear view. Draw a line. It is a complete rectangle offset. Here no propagation. No propagation means it select only any one of the line. So here it's selected. Now I'm choosing this bottom of the line. Here we can drag directly, or else we can give direct dimensions also, how much offset you want. So I'm choosing manually. Here it is enough for me, and I'm going for instance 3 instance, and distance is 275. So here 3 instances placed here. First options are done, and second one, tangent propagation. See, there is no tangent, that's why it's only getting one line directly. Let's choose corner. Okay, now let's see tangent propagand. This is the tangent propagand, means the curve which is attached with the line, it will be display here. Okay, now let's another one. Points propagation means complete tangent line, wherever the point is there, the complete line will be done here. This is the third option, and fourth option is symmetry. Both sides of the offset. If I select this one, if I select this one, see what will happen. You can observe the blue dotted lines here. I'm going towards inside, at the same time it's happening outside also. Okay, I selected this line. By choosing both sides option, it displays both sides. Okay, this is the offset option. Bye. Thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.